Hey guys, today we're going to be making a white pizza using our Ninja Foodi grill and griddle. Make sure you stick around for this one. It's Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Welcome to my kitchen, so glad you're here. Guys, today is going to be a really cool and simple recipe. We are doing a white pizza on our Ninja Foodi grill and griddle. We are using the griddle plate as the pizza stone, all right? Now I'm gonna use some Alfredo sauce instead of like a red pizza sauce. We got some mozz, got some parm, got a little prosciutto, a little garlic, olive oil. It's gonna be a wonderful pie. But you can make any kind of pizza using these principles as long as you have dough and your toppings, you'll be good to go. Okay, now I've made pizzas in all the Foodi grills that I have, and I'll put the iCards for them if you want to check them out for the original and for the XL grill. I've made them all basically on the grill plate. Now with the grill and griddle, the grill plate is at an angle, right? And I know a lot of people have made comments about that. So I wasn't entirely too sure on how to make a pizza in there using the grill because it would, you know, everything would slide to the front. You know, not necessarily slide off, but it would slide to the front. Uneven pizza, uneven cook, right? And then I happened upon watching another YouTube video, John Sanders. He does a lot of ninja stuff, and he used his griddle plate for a pizza, and I thought that was a hell of an idea. I wish I would have thought of it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I will not have an ingredients list below because I want you guys to make the pizza your own, but you know, we're gonna do a white pizza today, okay? Now we are using the griddle plate because it's flat, it's a great surface, it's perfect for like a pizza stone, right? But we're going to use the grill max setting because we want the temp in there to go as high as we possibly can. So we're gonna use the max grill setting. It will not hurt your grill plate as far as I can tell. There's no instructions saying you can do it and there's no instructions saying you can't. So as always, you know, you make your decisions off of that, but that's what we're gonna do, okay? Come on down to the Ninja Foodi grill station, otherwise known as, that's right, my kitchen island. Let's get started. Okay team, let's go ahead and turn on our Foodi grill. We're gonna go ahead and get the grill setting to max. So we got it on max right there. We're gonna do time. We'll just take it, you know, as far as it'll go. The pizzas themselves shouldn't take more than 5-10 minutes. Like I said, we're using our griddle pan here. It's about 9 by 11. So we'll make our pizzas around the same size as best as possible. We're gonna eyeball it through. Let's go ahead and get this in and get it preheating. All right, while we're waiting for this to heat up, it's a preheat. We're gonna get our dough out of here. This is just dough I got from the grocery store. You can use whatever dough you can get your hands on. We're gonna go ahead and portion this out to about about half. I know that you can use that Pillsbury dough if you want. So this is a pounded dough, right? We cut it in half. We're gonna try to roll it out to about 8 by 10, give or take. All right, so we got a squared up crust as best as possible. It's good enough for me. We're gonna let it sit, be rustic looking, which is okay with me. Got plenty of gluten developed in there because it's squeezing in pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and roll out the other one, and then we'll get these, should be ready to get these on. Right, it's looking for us to add the food. So we're gonna add the dough in there. Right, next up, just do a little bit of olive oil in there. Gonna brush that on a little bit. You can see it's already starting the cooking process. Gonna add a little minced garlic throughout. Add that good flavor in there. Use your little brush here to get them spread out a little bit. Let's get our Alfredo sauce in there. Now, if you were using regular traditional sauce, this would be the same point to add it. You're still leaving yourself a little bit of a crust, a little edge. Add our prosciutto on there. And don't be stingy with your meats. One last little piece right here. Love it, love it. Lastly, let's add our fresh mozz. The mozz is gonna help weigh down the prosciutto, so it doesn't quite get picked up when the fan from the top is blowing. one last little bit in here. Oh man, that's looking good already. All right, last thing, we're gonna shave a little Parmesan and Reggiano on there. All right, we're ready to shut it down. Looking good. Now let it go for about 5 minutes and then check it out and we'll see where we're at. All right, team, we're about 5 minutes in. We're gonna go ahead and let this go for a couple more minutes, but it's looking like we're pretty close to being done. Okay, team, it looks like we are done. It's looking so dang good. The bubbly cheese, that crust, love it. Golden brown, delicious. All right, one last thing. We're gonna add a little kind of julienne green onions on there, just for a little extra flavor, a little extra color. What do you say about that right there, boys and girls? Oh, looking too good. Let's get this off of that grill plate and start eating it. All right, team, let's get it off of this griddle and onto the cutting board right here. Go ahead and shut this down. All right, got my handy dandy pizza slicer here. Let's see if we can hear the crunch. Sounds crunchy to me. That right there, boys and girls, is a meal fit for a king. All right, let's give it a try. All right, y'all, we're done. We got our piece of pizza right here. I did want to give you guys a close-up of the bottom. So we got perfectly done bottom. Very nice crust. You can see it's golden brown and delicious right there. All right, nothing left to do but to try it. Smells good too. All right, let's give it a bite. One, it's hot. But two, it's amazing. All right. I got nothing more to say on that one. It tastes too damn good. Who'd have thought that this Foodi grill and griddle would be a pizza oven too? But this is a must try. All right. If you guys do not have this, 71 grill and griddle, you can do this on your regular grill. Okay, so if you have the XL, the original Foodi grill, you can do it the same way, same temps, but you're gonna have little grill marks on the bottom. That's it. I mean, it's pretty good grilled too. So give it a shot. If y'all want to step up your game and get this 7-in-1 Foodi grill and griddle, I will have links down below so you can check it out. Doesn't cost you anything more to use those links, but it does help out the channel. If you want to get a hold of my knives, my cutting boards, all the merch I use in my videos, links are all down below too, so check them out. If you want to join CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, become a show producer like all these lovely people right here, beautiful, awesome people, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button that you should have already hit by now. But that's it for this one, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.